Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'm gonna do a baby's clothing haul. So I have purchased these from Hopscotch and a few are from Big Bazaar. So first I'll be showing you all the items which I got from Hopscotch. Let me tell you guys about this website Hopscotch. I have shopped from Hopscotch for like 3 times and it was like quite a good experience for me. There are like variety they they do have a variety of like casual wear, party wear and like sleep wears and other stuffs as well. Everything is related to baby and mommy, so it's a like very good website. I always purchase only like casual wear for Ima from outside. All the party wears are something which I stitch by myself for her. I have only purchased like very affordable casual wear which she can wear at home or like wear to park and all. So those things are pretty good. And recently there had been a good discount going on in Hopscotch. That's the reason I got few casual wears for her. So let's get started. It is like a huge plastic bag. Earlier it used to be like a carton kind of packaging, a big carton. It would be like a cardboard box, but now it's like a plastic pouch. So that doesn't make any difference, but still. So first thing I want to show you guys is this full sleeve sleepwear set, which actually retails for $449 and I got it for like 300, I guess. Yeah. So this is the pants. As you guys can see, this has got star prints and the fabric is like very thick, not very thin banyan material. It's like very nice fabric. This is the top. And again the top is like pretty good. It's actually suits for like December. This actually has got very Christmassy vibe to it, but then Christmas is already over, but still it's fine. And there are like 2 buttons over here so that it's like easier to make them wear. Again, next one is this sleep wear 2-piece set. One top and one bottom is there. This actually the MRP is written as $699 and I think I got it for like 200. And here it is. This is the pants. This one is also as like good nice material, and this is the top. Here there is like press button is there, so it's like easier to make them wear. So this one is like really good. Next one again is a sleepwear which is in the size XL and it actually retails for like around like 500 and it was for like 279. And the interesting part is that it has got hoodie, which is like really good, which is something I really liked. So this is how it looks like. The print is like really vibrant, very colorful, so it's like really nice. And the pants has got a small print over here. Yeah, it is like a helicopter print. So again, this one is really nice. And I also got one more set of the same pattern, which is like in black and white color, which I've already washed and put it outside for drying. So I'll insert the pic here how it looks like. So I actually wanted to make her wear few of the clothing before I do a haul, because I want to give you guys a mini review on it. After washing it also, the cloth is like pretty good. The color didn't fade away. The quality is pretty nice in that way. So I really like it. Next thing I got is like 3 pants, which altogether is for 325 rupees, which has got like similar pattern but has got like different colors in it. First one is this like peach color at the bottom, then it's like white in color and nice print is going on. And next one has got like same print but in like different color. This like a very nice like pista green color. So next one is in yellow color, again of the same print. Ima has already worn one of these pants. I washed it and the quality is like really nice. And next one is again a set of like pants and t-shirt together, which actually retails for 505 and I think I got it for like 200 something. I'm not sure, but I will definitely write it down, the price down somewhere over here. And this is the t-shirt. This set is like slightly bigger for her. Actually her size is like between like 12 months to 18 months. It would be like little loose for her, but then lengthwise it would be like perfect for her. But then this one is like too loose. I feel that it's better to be loose rather than being tight, because obviously we can like keep it and make her wear when she grows up. As you guys can see, it's like very nice print going on. And this one is the pants, and over here there is a mini print. So next thing I got is like few t-shirt for her. First one I need to show you guys is this turtleneck t-shirt which is in like pure white color, full sleeve t-shirt, which is like really nice for this winters. Even though winter is gonna end, we can make it wear for like summers as well because the material is not that thick. So this one I really don't know the price. It was like quite cheap, I think around 100. It was like 100 or 120, not more than that. So this one is like perfect fit for her. It's again the size of 12 to 18 months. Like this t-shirt which again is the size of like 12 to 18 months, like slightly loose for her, but then she can wear it. This one is the print Pikachu, and it's nice. So this is like another t-shirt which has got like car print going on. This she has already worn and I have already washed. The color hasn't faded, and it hasn't even shrinked, so it's like good one. And this is like another t-shirt which has got like a Mickey and Minnie print to it. This one is something she absolutely loved. She loves Mickey and Minnie. So this is another t-shirt, again the same pattern, but this has got like different print. This has got Mickey and Donald jeans. So next one is a jeans, and this doesn't have belt. I have bought this belt separately, and this jeans is again the size of 12 to 18 months, but this one is like loose for her. Lengthwise it's like a kind of okay, it's not that problematic, but waist is like very loose for her, but when I make her wear belt it's like kind of okay. And this is like slightly shaded over here, and it's like really nice and very cute. So these were the stuffs I got from Hopscotch. Now I will show you guys the dress which I got from Big Bazaar. First thing I need to show you guys is this beautiful jacket, and this actually is for like 2-year-old, but this is like little loose for Ima. The smaller size was like really tight for her. It's like very soft. It's got tiny little bow over here, and there is press button over here, and obviously there is silver. So we can open like this and make her wear, and we can put on this press button. Actually was for like 1200 and we got it for like 600, which I think is like very good steal. It's like very nice quality, so it's like really good. Next thing I got is this pants, which is like a nice blush pink, I would say. Very nice shade it is. It actually retails for like $2.99 and I got it for like $150. So I think it's like of nice quality, so it was like really nice. Actually they were having like very good sale. They were like 50% off, 60% off, even 70% off sale was there, so it was like really good. And next thing is like a set which is like this. This has got a cat print to it, and the bottom is like a trouser, small trouser. This one is like this, so it looks very cute, and it was like for like 120 rupees. Next thing is this very simple frock, and like stretchable, very nice soft material. I don't know what the MRP was, but then we got it for like 130 rupees. Say hi. And the last one I need to show you guys is like beautiful top which has got like tiny little fur detailing over here, like in a very nice peach color it is. And also this pants which has got tiny little pockets over here, like very stretchy nice material it is. This actually retails for 600, both this top and pants together, and it was for like 50% off. So that's okay. So that's it guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. Okay, I wanted to do this haul for a very long time. Actually I got all these items I think 2 weeks back, but and today I was like, no matter what, I'm gonna do haul with Ima itself. So I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon. Until then, it's bye from Ashwathi. Love you all.